Viruses and cells may appear similar at first because both are microscopic and contain genetic material, but biologically they are fundamentally different. Cells are considered the basic units of life, while viruses exist in a unique position between living and non-living systems. A cell is a complete living structure capable of carrying out all the essential processes required for life. Whether it is a bacterial cell or a human cell, it can produce energy, synthesize proteins, respond to its environment, maintain internal balance, grow, and reproduce independently. Cells contain cytoplasm, ribosomes, genetic material, and a surrounding membrane. In eukaryotic organisms, cells also contain membrane-bound organelles such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and the nucleus. Viruses are far simpler in structure. They are not made of cells and are therefore described as acellular particles. A typical virus consists mainly of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, enclosed within a protective protein coat called a capsid. Some viruses also possess an outer lipid envelope derived from the membrane of the host cell they infect. Unlike cells, viruses cannot perform metabolism or generate their own energy. They lack ribosomes, cytoplasm, and organelles needed for independent biological activity. Because of this, a virus cannot survive or reproduce on its own for long periods in the way living cells can. To reproduce, viruses must infect a living host cell. After entering the cell, the viral genetic material takes control of the host's molecular machinery and redirects it toward the production of viral components. The host cell then begins assembling new virus particles instead of performing its normal functions. This dependence on host cells is one of the main reasons viruses are not considered fully living organisms. Outside a host, viruses remain biologically inactive. They do not grow, consume energy, or respond actively to their surroundings. However, once inside a suitable host cell, they can replicate rapidly and evolve through mutation and natural selection. Cells and viruses also differ in how they reproduce. Cells divide through processes such as binary fission, mitosis, or meiosis. Viruses do not divide at all. Instead, they are assembled piece by piece inside infected cells. Another important difference is size. Most viruses are far smaller than cells and usually require electron microscopes to be observed clearly. Despite their structural simplicity, viruses have had a major impact on the history of life. They influence ecosystems, transfer genetic material between organisms, and are responsible for many diseases affecting humans, animals, and plants. In summary, cells are complete living systems capable of independent survival and reproduction, whereas viruses are acellular infectious particles that depend entirely on host cells to replicate. This unusual nature places viruses at the boundary between living and non-living biology.